Have you ever rum? Have you ever? Bossy Wagwan? You go up in the bush? Boy, me there, man. Farmers, Jamaican farmers out, you know. I tell you, deal, you know.
I'm going back and tip me on top tea. Dentist Green, Marian, them pull 5 of them for me.
Dentist Marian?
Dentist Marian Green.
Oh!
Rough, finish for the big bear, rough.
Oh, long time old puff.
His goes on me real hard and me kill me. But mommy give me money pick up my lunch. My brother dead.
Everyone who miss someone, this is the song.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Hey.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, Jamaican farmers hot. Yeah. Okay, my people, I go check one of my brethren right now, you know. 2 of my brethren. Yeah, Puffer, long inside, rough. Yeah, 2 Dan. It's 2 big DJ from way back. You know what I mean? 2 brother from way back in the Gulf. Yes, I. Yeah, so I was showing one of them people. We have tried to reach from the farm. Don't know if we're going to reach from the farm because those guys, they love to go up with their special in the early morning, alright? So I don't know if after the special we can reach the plantation, but I'm going to try. So my viewers and subscribers, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My people, here is the 2 Dan, Puffer, long inside, rough. Have you ever rum? Have you ever? Bossy Wagwan? You go up in the bush? Boy, me there, man. Farmers, Jamaican farmers out, you know. I tell you, deal, you know. Alright, I want that. I don't you mean, man. Have you ever petrol? See? Have you ever petrol, brother? A beverage, man. Yeah, original. So what's your name again?
Rough, finish for the big bear, rough. For the big bear, rough.
Oh, you mean original rough? Alright. Me there, I go on do some video, alright? Alright, sir. Blessings. So you don't know.
Alright, got to move on.
Okay. For real. Yeah. A true man. Alright. Yeah. You go some man. Yeah, I'm in charge, I go them. Alright, true, for real, alright. Alright, manners bro. Yeah. Original Puffer.
Original old Puffer.
Yeah. Long time old Puff.
When we talk, God believe. I believe by our soldiers. I always make you to our soldiers. You okay?
Yes.
You know, I'm skipping around and I light up the goddamn.
Original.
So I'm going to give.
The day we are going video sound done. I look we star them and they done them video them. Eh?
You talk to Barrington?
Yeah man, what you want me to tell him again?
Yeah, talk to him now. Then tell me we don't go up there. So
Oh. Alright. I'm going to make you know a little more because I have the credit now. Yeah. So I'm going to make you know a little more. Say, Puffer they done. Oh, you mean Puffer? Bust 2 dance, Puffer. Bust 2 dance.
Mercy I God, I said my tears to Jojo.
The real man.
One morning, the sun the rosy parada.
Alright, Puffer, make you touch up the road, you know. What you mean, man? Yes, the viewers and subscribers.
I taught me. Place of these are the last eye. Mercy I God, I said my tears to Jojo.
Yes, my people, like and share to my channel and subscribe to see the next video coming out and hit the icon bell. See? You see the next video when they come out. See? subscribe button right there, so. Yeah, man. Just press it. Yeah, man. Like and share. Watch your views. Want some more views. Give me some more views. See? Yes, some people. Respect our manners.
Secondary, he shows up me real hard and me kill me. But mommy give me money, me go buy lunch. Now me take him money and me go buy sense. He say over the hills or down the valley. Over time me go under to 6:30. Mommy grab me belt and take her to beat me. Hear me? In pampa me kirk or in pampa me. Me so me got to Buckirk with my plessy. Me say over the hills or down the valley. If I want my bus on a big jumbo. If I over the mountain until I don't come, me say till last.
Jano, well, even though you're too, man.
Alright, don't tell one and one again. Yes, I be a thief. I used to them turn police to be a thief. I used to them no Mr. Wada to where the place goes. If on the concrete to tell Mr. I smoking till I see the Majesty King. Majesty King. Yeah, some tune, man. We tune more time. We go on, think and get it going on. It misses of culture. But I have some tuning on my head. Sometimes the tuning nearly mad me.
Because someone for real, man.
Alright, yes, me. Hear me now. You know, sing one next. I have only a tune, but tune sometimes brain. Alright. Yeah, helicopter. I'm exhausted. Miserable. I'm miserable too. I'm coming in most side father of the helicopter.
Yeah.
Over
the valley. Yes, Papa Dan. Let me tell you something, boy, brother. You're a big artist. I just somebody grudge him and take away him talent, but a big artist this. Big artist this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Big artist this. This brother and I line up with Louis Culture and them man there. Big artist.
Respect you to all on me and you. Respect you respect you. Respect you respect the last year.
Jano, artist. Artist right place.
And I'm not against the youth. I'm not against the youth.
A true man.
That'll be a good competition.
A true man.
Kind of mix.
Yeah.
Because sometimes Babylon lock off my brain, you know.
Give them again. Babylon lock off your brain sometimes.
Hear me? I be a thief. Yes, I them a turn police. I be a thief. Yes, I them a turn. Hear me? No, Mr. Wada to where the place goes. I'm a safe on the concrete. So tell me, sir.
Pop, 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 pop.
Almighty God. Hey, no, come back to the lyrics, you know. I don't know if culture still can't hold it. But me have had a culture against me. Like coming around. Instead of saying, she play an apple and me say, we are England. I am Mr. King Selassie. I'm Mr. Respect you, Mr. Respect you. Respect you, Mr. To all cool, Mr. Can't come with the lion all the time of you.
Boss it down.
It's going on, Mr. No secondary. It's going on, me alone, don't give me, kill me. Mama, give me money, we go buy lunch. Take money and me go buy sense. Me say, over here, I don't give a hear me now. My father have a bus and a big jumbo. He climb up on the mountain and kill a jumbo.
Fire!
There's a correction of me.
There's a, how you mean, man? Yo, your brother, you're full of words, you know, me people.
Moving time. Moving, you can dance too, you know.
How you mean?
Moving time, I said, moving time. Moving time, I said. Jesus, today. It's a girl, panda, but it's some more, I said. Up on the bed, I said, up on the blocking, Selassie, I. No, we again. 5 and 5, we call it 10. King Selassie, I. No, we again.
Mighty God, yo, we tune them enough, they want to swell up your head.
You know, say, me study them things there. I don't consider it. You go miserable in my brain, because sometimes I can fly. I can DJ too, you know.
What do you mean?
Jamaica was nice, Jamaica paradise. Just find a nice girl in your life. Jamaica was nice, Jamaica paradise. King Selassie,
Alright, the special ready, Papa. Special ready.
You said your ear, man. I teach you to say, me can't think you know.
What you mean,
I
man?
can't teach you, you know. But never only for culture, but sometimes. With people, I'm like, Mama, I'm child.
Oh, me understand.
Yeah, me whole special now, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, conquer.
But you look like you take one special already, man.
No,
So early.
Me no drink nothing yet.
Oh, you don't Jesus Christ, in that show, my shit, work done. Right there, sir.
I'm Simdoda. God is my guide.
Shalama, Shamba.
We on the people. I and I was.
You see what special do me, people? See the way special hat.
Yeah, me there. Here. Dear run for me. So you talk about last year. Do we again? For one party, my God, it did. Give that person the most I king. Yeah, I told me teeth them. But
Let me see your teeth. Let me see if they're alright. They're good, man. Where?
I'm going back on teeth, me have on top teeth. Dentist Green, Marian, them pull 5 of them for me.
Dentist Marian.
Dentist Marian Green.
Oh.
Yeah.
She live across the road.
Yeah.
Oh, she did pull out the teeth them.
Me tell you. But I can't come in the lion. Shape my legs and make a weak hard job. Don't get up over another one. I'm going to don't fall here.
Jaja.
You know, jockey.
But say man make a smoke, you know what?
Yeah, man.
You don't know bush, brother.
No. Oh, but no tobacco.
No bush, brother.
No bush.
Oh, you don't know ganja? No man, you're a ganja bag, man.
Ganja bag, but not no.
No man, crumbs in it, man. Alright. You get grab a leaf. Yeah, man. Have to make up sitting. You get grab a leaf, brother. We don't live so bad, man. You have to get grab a leaf.
They can't find a potato cigarette, you know. Come on, and I come here, man, 2% something. The sun guy, 2 back from one day. They can't find come on this one, but can't play for one. Hey, how much you Guinness? How much you Guinness?
Boss, have you money now? How much you Guinness? Yeah.
Oh, a 2 rum, 2 petrol me did one. So you can one cup. So one no cup.
You say if you have your money? No, sir.
I have to you can come in the island. Yes, Mr. Tick, Mr. Put down the key. Hear me now. Don't see a child me cook me high tall pot. Guess the one me use a can coconut on me.
Blagger.
Hear me. Sergeant Johnson. Now want me flour out of me pot. Me say me jam me cutlass. Give Sergeant toast up. Sergeant jump up. Upstairs and creep up. He head back. Me say no. Love tune you know you.
You know, man.
Mighty God. I two been and gone apart.
Oh,
so
God.
Small ago. Love it tune till all me head nearly miserable. Love what? It's hard. DJ Sound on me.
This man is an artist, you know, man.
What? Yeah, so.
The man Ruku ranking, you know, man.
Yeah, Alami.
Alami.
Yeah, and Shaba.
And Shaba.
Me have one better name Shaba.
Yeah, so when they know?
Indeed, I'm gone 1997.
Oh, okay.
Owner King Lost.
Yeah.
Owner King Lost. Majesty June.
So you don't want tuna fight?
What?
Then give me tuna, man.
Hey. I'm Simdoda. My brother and my sister one debut for 2. Jamaica, 1997. My brother did
Everyone who miss someone, this is the song.
Baby, this is all for we select a big gamer. Star technical sonar power. Don't be afraid of this creation, Lord. Last year, Mr. Mercy, Mercy I be, Mercy I be, Mercy I be, Mercy be, Almighty, oh God. over the hills and
The valley. Yes, sir. There with performing people. So please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Or else you're not gonna see this guy again. He's going on the farm. He's gonna give me a piece of yam, but trust me, the special takeover, so I have to wait a little while, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Jaja bless him, say no one curse. Oh, Jaja bless him, say no one curse. Oh, Jaja bless it, no one shall curse and mercy, God. Shine, shining, Father is here. The north and the south, oh Lord. Be share, be mercy, Lord. I be pay. Jamaica was nice, Jamaica power till last year, I got.
Fire! That's no water can control.
Give me water. The sun has been shining. You know, say me have to go back in my brain box.
Yeah, man, you have to go back in your brain box, man.
Go back in. Me have one fully patrol, but me don't know what.
Yo, man, full of lyrics, you know, man.
DJ Daddy. Me a DJ Daddy. Come here, DJ Daddy. Now you don't go. Now you don't have to go. Attack me, attention. Tell us, I miss a fire power, I'm gentle as the eye. The man just thinking, but on the ring, my God.
Fire!
Who that bless, no one shall curse like God.
Well, the boss gonna light up you now. Flames and fire.
I have a time.
Yeah.
Farmers.
Ja.
Right.
Jamaican.
Spliff ready.
Be to the market to do.
So what you call it spliff then now?
Brown paper and my tobacco picture.
Oh, we think you call it scraps. Catch your scraps the bag and make it.
Yeah. Listen after on the big stuff, boy. You don't know how I go to be doing the big stuff. You know, say long time. You don't know what
You have to go write them out now on book, man.
time is
Yeah, man, in boss right now.
Yeah.
In boss, in
Yeah,
just
man.
boss.
Give thanks and praises to the hills and the valley. We spent mommy era and daddy picture and my father and my enemy. Give thanks and praises, oh Lord. I said my tears.
It's all about farming, my viewers. It's all about farming, but this guy's a big farmer, you know, but trust me, the special can have him right now, so he can't get on the farm. But I'm still waiting because he's gonna dig some yam for me, you know? Yeah. It's all about puff for me, people. Puff for the original puff. Yeah, the puff that did this. Notice him a puff? Yeah? Well, it's like his cliff take long to light.
I give, yes, I give, me don't change, don't care what me don't change, don't care. I give, yes, I don't change, don't care. But yes, I give, me don't change, don't care.
Fire! Hold on.
Little sound I put.
Which one of the sound of DJ Pan?
Delta Force and Bounty, Samuda.
And which one again?
And Delta Force, little sound I put up in Georgette and Nikisha, Alisa. And I saw little sound I put, I go play next week Friday. Down Kayan Yard.
Okay. So your DJ Pan Star Check sound too?
Star Check sound and little sound, we are Silver Sun.
Okay.
Samuda, respect due to Alco and Black Star from Donga side, come from Falmouth and respect you.
But you're a big artist, man.
Yeah. But two Ruben them lock me down, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
they never want your boss.
They never want me boss, I'm a boss.
You're a boss long time.
They don't get it.
But your boss now.
Yeah, me give them time for
Your boss now, me I go boss you now.
How you mean?
Yeah, man, your
Let
boss.
me go you.
Your boss, man.
How you mean?
Your boss. You know the car thing, a boss you deal with.
Alright, cat.
Oh, they dawa. Oh,
Yeah.
COVID
Special make man singing us.
We see that all the COVID sorry. Mike MC, and DJ Daddy, who God bless her. No one shall curse her.
Jaja!
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.